Looking ahead, a hearing is set on Monday for Patrick Mahomes Sr. This is in regard to his indictment on a driving while intoxicated third time or more charge he received in April. This is in connection with a February traffic stop. Our Dan Millay joins us in studio now. Dan, what kind of legal consequences could Mahomes be facing?
Yeah, Mara, the answer depends on many different factors. I spoke to a criminal defense attorney today to get a clearer picture of what is at stake. In the Lone Star State, a first-time DWI charge will land you a fine up to $2,000, up to 180 days in jail, and a mandatory license suspension of 90 days to a year. A second brings a fine up to $4,000, up to 1 year in jail, and a license suspension of 180 days to 2 years. So there's two strikes. A third, of course, carries the heaviest consequences.
If you're charged with it, you can be indicted as a felony. It's a third-degree felony with a punishment range from 2 years to 10 years and/or a $10,000 fine. That's the minimum and maximum.
It's not guaranteed that someone in Mahomes' position would be convicted of a felony, but if they were, that's where things could get a bit tricky. Collecting another third time or more DWI charge after already having been convicted of one felony can bring hefty charges.
If you've had a prior felony conviction, what happens is they can enhance that punishment to a higher level. If you've had two priors, they can enhance it all the way up to first-degree felony.
An individual with two prior felonies that is convicted of a third would face a minimum mandatory prison sentence of at least 25 years. Mara, as we saw there, it can be a little bit of a slippery slope sometimes. DWI charges roll into felony convictions, which can bring real consequences. For now, we have to wait and see what happens in court on Monday. Reporting in studio, Dan Millay, CBS 19.